Hi, I'm Erin Searle, and I'm here today to share with you 5 ways to make extra cash. One of the best ways to make extra cash with a side hustle is by selling things within your home. Now, we all have a lot of things within our home that we don't use, that we don't need, and that we don't want, especially within our garages, in cupboards, just stored away, things that we've had for years and we will never ever use. Now, this is a great opportunity to make extra cash by selling these things online, and you can pretty much sell just about anything online. You could make a lot of extra cash by selling things in your home that you no longer use: clothing, shoes, accessories, jewelry, furniture, homewares, and even cars. There is so many things that you could sell, boats, whatever you have that you don't use anymore. There's no point keeping it. Let it go. Life is short. It's good to make some room and bring in some positive energy and some good vibes into your home. And also, it's great to release things for bigger things. Another great way for making extra cash is by repurposing furniture or refurbishing furniture and reselling it. Now, I have given you 7 tips. They're the foundational tips from my previous video on reselling vintage furniture. Now, vintage furniture is my go-to because they're usually made from solid wood. The bones are beautiful and well structured, well made. They're pieces of integrity. They stand the test of time. And so these are more in demand, I would say, than other furniture that's made from melamine and cheaper materials. So always go for the solid wood options. They're the best ones to go for. Never spend over $60 unless you're refurbishing this piece for yourself, or it's a really special piece, or it's a really, really expensive piece like a sideboard where you can make a substantial amount of money for it. So always go for the cheaper options. A lot of furniture you can get for free and refurbish it. People don't know what they have sometimes, and so you can find some really awesome pieces to resell and make, a substantial amount of cash. So refurbishing furniture, you can make anywhere between $100 to $2,000 or more, depending on what it is you're refurbishing and how many pieces you're refurbishing per week. So the world is your oyster pretty much out there. There is so much to choose from with good furniture. And this is a great option to go with. It can be long term, it can be quite lucrative too. Another great way to earn extra cash is through Uber. I personally know somebody who did Uber, and they were earning, as a side hustle, they were earning $400 cash every week, along with their full-time job that they had. But they were earning $400 of cash every week with minimal amount of hours. They, even to this day, still rave about how great it was and how much they loved it, and all those, strange, weird and wonderful people they got to meet doing Uber. So Uber, driving, or Uber Eats is another great way to make extra cash. My next go-to for making extra cash is with Airbnb. Airbnb can be very lucrative if you have an apartment, a house, a room in your house, even a she shed in your backyard or bungalow, anything like that. You can Airbnb it, and you can create substantial cash flow from your Airbnb. There's minimal amount of work with an Airbnb, albeit the initial investment of starting up an Airbnb may cost a little bit, but you can 100% make that back within a short period of time after hosting guests in your Airbnb. So that's a really good go-to option. My next favorite way of making extra cash is by tutoring. You can do this online, you can do this via Zoom, you can do this in your home, in your garage, you can go out and do it. So this would be another great option, teaching people whatever it is that you know that they need to know. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification for more videos and how-tos coming soon. Bye.